Hey guys, welcome back to another NasiToys video. Today we have a subscriber unboxing. Now, this package is from my good friend and subscriber Cone, who offered to send me his extra Donald tender after hearing that I needed one. Now, he did say that the stickers on the tender have a bit of wear on them, but that's totally fine just as long as we get a Donald tender. Stickers or no stickers, I'm totally fine with it. He also said that he sent some rolling stock with, so let's open it up and see what we got. So everything is out of the box, and the box says, "Hi NasiToys, hope you like the stuff I sent you. Love, from Cone." So thank you, Cone, for sending all of this. Let's start off with the brake band. In pretty good condition, clean. This is a toad brake band without the face. I think I'm gonna use this for a custom. Gonna probably paint it brown and give it a black roof. That's great. So here we have a good looking troublesome truck. I didn't have one with this facial expression until now, so I'm very happy about that. That's great. Let's open the next one. Here is another good looking troublesome truck. Needs a bit of cleaning, but this one, I think this is my favorite facial expression on all the troublesome trucks. It just looks really good. And now for the Donald tender. Here it is. So a lot better than what I thought. I thought there would be a few scratches, but we just have a case of the sticker lifting up some, so I might be able to fix that. But with a bit of cleaning, it's gonna look really good. So Donald finally has his tender, and now we have both of the twins. Got Donald and Douglas, and some rolling stock now for them to pull. So thank you, Cone, once again for sending the Donald tender. Very happy about it, and also thank you for the troublesome trucks and this brake band that I will be using for a custom to go with some custom rolling stock. So that is all great. Thank you, Cone, once again. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.